need just as many TikToks and reels showing people how to prevent it. Because I mean, if you look at like even the insurance thing, I didn't even think about the insurance thing until now. Like, dang, squatter protection, you probably need it.
Yeah, this was something proper thought of in 2020. It was a piece of the puzzle that's been missing. And so, as far as we know, we're the only policy out there, especially for short-term and midterm rentals, that has it.
Are you switching? You have you switched back over to proper?
I'm going to. I'm going to because this, after this whole situation, and then I thought it sucked. Situation sucked, kept me up at night, kind of thing. But the thing that I was telling myself, all right, 99.9% of my units, none of this has ever happened before, right? This is a one-off thing. I was just telling myself that to try to keep my head up. You're doing great at the other properties. There's some crazy people out there. You can't prevent 100% of bad stuff from happening.
You have one unit, you have 100 units, you have 1,000 units. They're right. It is a one-off thing, but it only takes one, and it keeps you up at night. And then you don't just worry about what those people could probably do to your property while they're squatting, but the amount of time and money it takes to get them out, and not just get them out, but the money you're losing in revenue. And then when you do get them out, what if that property is damaged and they vandalize the place? And these are all things that we've thought about for that one-off situation. So that they're hitting the nail on the head. It's a scary situation.
But it's good to be prepared for it when it does happen, right? Because that could be a big chunk of money. Murphy's Law, what can go wrong will go wrong.
Oh,
And so
dang.
that's what I saw. Proper is the only, they advertise online, the only insurance company that has squatter protection.
It's the concept of making sure you're prepared, not just in your business and the back end operations, but also what you're doing for risk management. Does your insurance policy cover these things? Again, not just the cost of getting the squatter out, but typically the damage resulting from them afterwards. Are you protected correctly? Does there then also become a liability situation? These are all things that proper thought of in the development of our program as we continually to add and enhance our protections as the short-term rental industry demands them. We try to stay up to par with what's going on. This is an eye-opening story of a terrible situation. Again, 99.9% of the time, everything's going to be hunky-dory until it's not. So make sure you have the right protection, verify your insurance, give us a call. We'd be happy to help.